Maya and the Curious Cat.
Maya had a curious cat that loved chasing insects. Curious means eager to know or learn something. One afternoon, she watched him wander down the street and decided to follow. Wander means to walk without a clear destination. Busy watching the cat, Maya didn't realize how far she went. Feeling anxious, she looked around. Anxious means feeling worried or nervous. She stepped into a nearby store to inquire about her location. Inquire means to ask for information. As the shopkeeper explained the area, the streets became familiar, and she safely found her way home. Familiar means well-known or easily recognized.